Alright guys, let's go ahead and start this review. Oh yeah, I can get used to this. This is different. Oh man, what's up guys? Darius here. And we're in a unusual spot for me. Most of the times I usually drive cars and stuff like that. This is actually my first time really driving a pickup truck. I'm driving a 2017 Nissan Titan. I gotta say, this is a pretty nice truck. I want to thank my uncle for letting me drive this truck. I'm actually doing a review on it because I'm not gonna lie, I didn't think I was gonna have a truck on this channel. You gotta admit, this is a pretty nice truck. Basically blacked out everything, so it looks nice. I like the blacked out look. There's a lot of stuff that I didn't really know about the truck. For instance, it got 390 horsepower, so it's not slow. I mean, it got a lot of weight to it. I think it weighs about like 5,000 pounds, maybe a little more. But I mean, almost 400 horsepower with 349 foot-pounds of torque. So almost 400 foot-pounds of torque. It gets up and goes for what it is. You know, it's not a diesel. It's either 5.6 liter. I want to say 5.6. But yeah, it gets up and goes. Also got a little modification to the exhaust. I know he got Flowmaster on here. Not 100% of what series they are, but from the sound like it sounds like it's in the 40s, maybe 44 series or something like that. I have 40s on my V6 Mustang, so it kind of gives it that deeper tone that I recognize. In all honesty, I didn't think that I would like a truck like this much. There's a lot of difference jumping from a 1998 Mustang to a 2017 Nissan truck. I don't know why I'm going this way. This road is closed, so I got to turn all the way back around or keep going straight all the way down. Sorry, I figured out something. But it got a lot of accessories on here. As you saw in the beginning of the video, it has remote to start. It also has the little button on the side of the door handle to unlock the door for you, so you don't have to pull out the keys and stuff like that if you didn't push the remote to start. You can also do the same thing. Instead of pulling your keys out to lock the door, you keep the key. Essentially, you can keep the keys in your pocket the whole entire time. The way it is a push to start. Got navigation. It looked like you can program your garage on your mirror right here. That's nice, so you don't have to have a little garage door opener like like I do here. Put this up. It also looked like it got a little help button for like maybe OnStar or something like that. Got really comfy seats. I don't know if you can really see it. This truck actually got heated and cooling seats in here, so yeah, that's the first for me. I heard of heated seats, but I didn't really know they came up with cooling seats. And I'm not gonna lie, my butt feels pretty cool right now, so it's nice. But the interior is amazing. It got this nice black and brown with wood grain interior in here, and it's really nice. It's really nice. He also got tinted windows. He got the tint windshield. So I ain't gonna lie, the tinted windshield, it kind of threw me off because at night my mom was driving this, and I was looking. I was like, Mom, how do you see? And she was like, I can't see. So I was like, oh Lord. I want to say it's probably 25% or maybe 20% on the windshield. I think it's like 15% on the side windows. Not 100% sure. Yep, this road is still closed, so I'ma go straight. I don't really know much about this vehicle because, you know, I'm a car guy. I'm not really a truck guy. My uncle, he's actually out of town right now, which is the reason why I'm able to drive this, because this is his everyday car. So if he was here, he would give you more information, but the only thing I could really tell you is what's on Google and what I'm looking at right now. I just pulled up in a cemetery. I have no idea why. This is the only spot that I can really U-turn on that road. That road is a 2-lane road. So, rest in peace to all the people over here. I always thought to myself, you know, what my next vehicle should be. Should it be a newer Mustang that I can drive every day? Should it be a sedan? Should it be a bike? I know I shouldn't be saying bikes after the accident I just had, but I mean, it's quick, simple, $2 fill up, last 200 miles. So, you know, I'm like, well, that's kind of good for the money, essentially, you know what I'm saying? Or should I get a truck or an SUV? When you driving a truck, you kind of feel empowered. Like, you basically, especially with this size of the truck, it feels like you basically run the streets. Traffic is terrible. Oh, I got a shot. I'm not gonna lie, that torque kicks in and you feel it. I see a Super Snake. It looks nice. It's kind of funny. In a car, I have basically the need to drive fast. Not trying to. It's just I look down and I'm like, oh crap, I'm speeding. But in here, I'm comfortable. I don't have that feeling to drive fast. I don't have that feeling to speed or anything like that. It's an overall comfortable truck. And I gotta say, I'm really surprised on how Nissan made this truck, because essentially Nissan just came out of nowhere and they just went all out with the truck game. F-150 was out. They was coming out with their Raptors, their Lightnings, all that, you know, all their famous trucks that Ford have. Chevy, they had their Silverado, their SS, just all their famous trucks that they have. And Dodge came out with their Cummins diesels, you know, all their famous trucks that Dodge have. And Nissan necessarily did not have a truck to, you know, really put out there. I mean, they had their Frontiers and they had their did they have yep, they had Titans back then. But I mean, it wasn't a huge truck game, if you know what I mean. Nobody was really paying attention to them until they came out with this. Now, they're up there with Ford and Chevy. But all in all, would I get this truck? Yes. I'm not gonna lie, it is a nice truck. It's nice. That's all I gotta really say about this truck. It's nice. There have been times where I just feel like I don't feel like driving. You know that feeling? This truck don't really have that. just go in and you just drive. And I feel like I could take a road trip to Canada and back and be perfectly fine. But yeah, guys, I just want to say thank you for watching my videos. Like, comment, and subscribe. Finally got another review out besides Jared's Challenger, so that's great. Hopefully I'll be able to do a couple Mustangs, because you know, I got a Mustang, but I got a lot of friends that have Mustangs, but it's not really, we're not really doing anything. But it is what it is. Oh yeah, and I forgot to tell you, there's parking assist on here. So what that means is it lets you know when you get really close to a certain item. And it got cameras all the way around everything. Yep, there's the parking assist. I'm pulling up in the driveway behind my mom, so I gotta pull up pretty close. There we go. And just to show you what I was talking about on the parking assist, I'll show you real quick. It's gonna beep because I'm real close. But yeah, that's behind. That's my brother's car. That's the grass. That's my mom's truck. And that's the street. That's the whole truck. So it's pretty cool how it kind of got a camera like that. But yeah, that's about it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully I can get more videos like this. So we'll catch you on the next one.